would like to thank your governor for inviting me to be part of the Pasigdarbo sa Cebu celebration as the provincial government of Cebu commemorates its 453rd founding anniversary. I'm really excited to watch the repeat performances of this year's festival because without a doubt, Cebu festivals showcase one of the best, I think I can say it's even the best, of Philippine culture.
Daghan tayong salamat aton First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos. You have made this awarding ceremony truly special.
A celebration of our culture is a necessary affirmation of our identity as a nation. To borrow the words from my husband, President Marcos Jr., during the SONA last month, he said that the Filipino brand is deeply rooted in a rich cultural heritage. To foster the brand is to spark our sense of pride and reaffirm our strong sense of identity. The creativity of the Filipino people is world-class, and we as daghan kayong salamat, mabuhi ka Cebuano.